Are you also managing a hardware store? Then this video is definitely for you, because today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your hardware store business. So as an owner of a hardware store, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries from my customers and new leads regarding the offers, different kind of products and much more. Handling each of these inquiries manually is a time-consuming and a hectic process. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and I have created a special WhatsApp chatbot for my hardware store. It is going to handle all the messages which I am receiving from my customers and leads 24/7 and also going to automate the responses effortlessly. So for your business, if you also want to learn the amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your hardware store business. So here, as an owner of a hardware store, I am receiving multiple inquiries and messages from my customers regarding price, deals, offers, discounts, products, etc. Handling each of the query manually is a time-consuming task. Therefore, I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I am going to build a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to handle entire WhatsApp messages and going to automate the responses to my customers 24/7 to engage them. Also, do you know, we are not going to use any coding and programming skills to create this chatbot. First of all, before moving forward, let me show you that how this bot is actually going to work. So when a customer or a lead is going to send any message regarding their inquiries or anything they want to know about the hardware store on the number of hardware store, let's say here I'm going to send a message on the WhatsApp number of my hardware store as a customer. Hello, I want to know about the offers on hardware tools. As I sent that message, you see, I have a reply. Hey there, welcome to Fixed Right Hardware Store, your one-stop shop for all things DIY and professional tools. Before we get started, may I know your name? It is asking me the name. So let's say I'm providing the name as a customer. New customer. As soon as I have provided the name, I got an instant reply again along with the name this time. Nice to meet you, nice customer. How can I assist you today? And here I have easy buttons to click for sending the replies. So let's say I'm going to select check offers, and you can see that it is providing me the offers. When I'm going to click on browse products, I got another list. Here I can browse products according to my interest: power tools, paints and accessories, hand tools. Let's say I'm going to select power tools. Here I got another details regarding the power tools that are available along with the price. So in this way, the bot is actually going to work on the basis of this flow. It is going to respond to the customers automatically. So now without any further wait, let's start creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, you need to type in your browser pabbly.com/chatflow. This URL is going to take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just like me, click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create the WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. On the dashboard, we can find the credits that are allotted to us. We can manage the credits that we have consumed and the credits that are remaining. Apart from this, we have folder option as well. So if you are having multiple WhatsApp number to use Pabbly Chatflow, you can save the WhatsApp number separately by creating separate folders. Now, also if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number and to set up Pabbly Chatflow account, for that we have already created a separate video tutorial. If you want, you can just go on our YouTube channel and watch the video from there. Also over here, apart from creating the chatbots and flows, we have some amazing other features inside Pabbly Chatflow as well that I'm going to explain you in brief. Although we have created detailed tutorial videos for each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow already on our YouTube channel. So if you want to learn any of the feature in detail, you can just go and watch the video from our channel. Alright. So let's start with the inbox first of all. Inbox is an amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow that helps you to manage all your sent as well as received messages at one place. Apart from this, you can also check the status of your messages, whether it is sent, delivered or read by your customers. Okay, so if you are using Pabbly Chatflow for your WhatsApp automation, you do not have to open your WhatsApp or WhatsApp web account again and again. You can simply manage all the messages from one place only. Then we have the contact section, by using which you can create separate contact list of your customers, leads, employees, anyone, to send separate messages on the basis of the specific requirements and preferences. We have the team queue section where you can manage your team and assign chats of different customers or leads to different team members on the basis of specific requirements with the help of round robin method. Also, you will be able to track the performance of your team members, whether they are replying promptly to the customers or leads or no. With this, you can improve the productivity and collaboration of your team effectively. We have the template section then where you can create customized and creative templates to be sent to your customer, leads, employees, or anyone in the customized format along with the variables. Also, you will be able to send media such as documents, files, images, videos, etc. That too automatically. Then we have the broadcast section by using which you can send mass messages to bulk people to huge list of customers or leads with the help of templates in the customized format automatically. Then we have the flow section by using which we can create WhatsApp chatbots for our businesses. We have settings section where you can manage all the settings of different features of Pabbly Chatflow and the entire app. We have the get help section. If you require any help regarding the features or Pabbly Chatflow application, you can just seek help from this feature. All right, so now let's start creating the flow. Let's start creating the WhatsApp chatbot step by step. To start with the process of creating the chatbot, we have to go towards flow section from the left side, and here we have to click on this add flow button. Now, here basically the chatbot is going to be based on the flow entirely. So flow is going to decide what message should be sent next to the customers or the lead on the basis of their response. As I have shown you in the beginning of the video, when the customer is going to send a message along with the keywords, the flow is going to start by matching the keywords, and when the flow will start after matching the keywords, then only the bot is going to start responding to the customers. So the bot is based on flow. First of all, let's provide a name to the bot as WhatsApp chatbot for your hardware store business. After giving the name to the bot, now let's start with the flow. Okay, so how your flow is going to start? As I told you, when you're going to receive certain messages from your customers, leads, or users, then your flow is going to identify certain keywords from that message, and then the flow is going to start. So the bot will start responding. So here, you have to identify certain keywords which you can receive as the messages from your customers, and those keywords you have to enter over here. So let's say I could receive hello as the keyword. If you want to enter the keyword, you will simply enter the word. You will click on enter. It will turn into blue and it will be added as your keyword. Or hi, or let's say hey, or let's say hardware, parts, or I could receive tools, plumbing, material, wires, etc. So we can have multiple possibilities of the keywords. Now, apart from entering the keywords, it is possible that you are not going to receive exact keywords in the form of messages from your customers. You could receive long paragraphs, long text as well, as I've shown you in the beginning of the video. In that case, what you are going to do, how your flow is going to start, it is not going to match the direct keywords. In that case, you have to enter the keywords which you think you can receive from your customers in the regex format. Regex is actually regular expressions which you have to use in order to identify the variables and the variations in the keywords that you are going to receive in different formats such as long paragraphs, long text, etc. So for example, if you are going to receive a normal sentence instead of a direct keyword from your customer, then from that sentence the keywords will be automatically identified with the help of regex and your flow will automatically start. So there is a particular format which you have to enter while entering the keyword. So that is /B. You will open the bracket, you will start entering the keywords which you think you can receive. You will separate the keywords with the help of this bar sign. Okay, then we can have tools, offers, hardware, we can have discount, tap, paints, color, and in the similar manner you can have endless keywords. All right, you can just enter all the possibilities. When you will complete entering the keywords, you will simply close the bracket. Again, you will enter the / and small b. Your regex is ready. Now, if you think you can receive case sensitive form of keywords, you can just toggle this button on. Now here we have set up flow start. When we are going to receive the keywords, it will be identified. The bot will start responding. So first of all, what you want to send as message? I want to ask the name of my customer, okay? So that I can further communicate with my customers along with their name, so that I can address them with their name automatically to make my communication more personalized. For that, I want to ask a question. So I'm going to drag this question step like this. I will just connect it with my flow start. And the question which I want to ask is, Hey there, welcome to Fixed Right Hardware Store, your one-stop shop for all things DIY and professional tools. Before we get started, may I know your name? So here I want to collect the name of my customers, and therefore I'm going to select full name from contact custom field. How you're going to select contact custom field? For that, just go towards settings. Here we have the option of contact custom fields. When you will open this section, you will be able to select the details which you want to add in your contact custom fields. When you're going to receive the replies from your customers along with these details, they will be added directly in your contact section, and you will be able to further use them in your communications automatically. Then here the format of this name will be text. If you want to send the number of attempts that they can make in order to make any changes in the name, you can provide the number and the validation message over here. Now further, apart from collecting the name, then I want to address them with their name, and I want to send them a message regarding the options which they want to explore today. So for that, here I'm going to select text plus button option, and here I'm going to send them a message as nice to meet you. Here I have used the full name, that is the contact custom field, along with a $sign to make it variable. And now automatically when the message will be sent, it will be received to the customers. The name of the customer will be visible over here in place of this contact custom field. Okay. So in the similar manner, you can use any contact custom field detail along with a $sign to make it variable and dynamic. Nice to meet you, full name. How I can assist you today? Please choose an option below. I'm going to provide them the option. First will be to explore the products. So the first option is to browse products. Then we have, let's say, offers. Then we have third option, contact support. Okay. So here, as we have provided the 3 buttons, now I'm going to send separate messages on separate buttons. If the person is going to click on browse products, so I'm going to provide them the details of the products which are available in our store. So the message will be, great, what category are you interested in? So here I'm going to provide them the buttons to select the categories in which they want the products, power tools, whether they want to look for power tools, whether they want to go for paint and accessories, or they want to look for hand tools. For each of these 3 category of the products, then I'm going to send them further again another messages if they want to go for selecting power tools. So I'm going to provide them the list of the power tools we are providing along with price of each one. Okay. Here are some popular power tools: electric drill for rupees 2499, angle grinder 3999, cordless screwdriver 29. If they want to place the order, so they are going to click on this button, place order, and I'm going to provide them the link of the store from where they can purchase any of the product. So I'm going to provide them the link as place your order here, and the link will be here. I have provided the link. All right. Now, if they want to go back, if they do not want to place the order, they want to go back to menu. So I'm going to connect this back to menu button with the options. Okay, main options. Then in case if any customer wants to go for paint and accessories, so I'm going to provide them the details along with the price. Here are some popular paint and accessories: wall paint, paint roller, sandpaper pack. Okay, now if they want to place the order, I'm going to provide the button, and I'm going to connect this button with the link message where I'm going to send them the link to place the order. If they do not want to place the order, they want to go back to menu, I'm going to simply connect this button again with the menu section. Then here we have the third option of hand tools. So I'm going to connect another message for hand tools as well. Here are some essentials hand tools: adjustable wrench, screwdriver set, hammer. If they want to place the order, I have provided them the button, and I'm going to connect the place order button directly with the link. If they do not want to place the order, they want to go back. So again, I'm going to provide them the button as go back to menu. I will connect go back to menu button again with the main menu section. All right, so the first part of the flow is completed. Now, when the customer is going to opt for browse products, if they want to check the offers on the products, then I'm going to send them another message, that is the details of the offers. Here we have the order. Here are our hot deals today: 15% off on all Bosch power tools, buy one get one free on selected paints, free delivery on orders above 1000. I'm going to provide them the button to place order. After reading if they want to place the order of any of the product, I'm going to send them the link message. So here I've connected the place order button with a link message. Keep saving your flow once you are moving towards next step to make it updated every time. Okay, then we have the contact support option over here if they want to look for the support regarding any of the products which they have purchased or any query. So here I'm going to provide them the support option. Okay, please call us at this number to connect with the support agent. Alright, so here my flow is ready. I have created the flow and now we are going to test whether the flow is running fine or not. So we will simply save the flow once again and I will take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the flow is working fine or no. So let's say as a customer, I'm going to send a message on the WhatsApp number of my hardware store. Let's say the message is, hey, I want to order some tools for my car. So here instantly I got the message. Hey there, welcome to Fixed Right Hardware Store, your one-stop shop for all things DIY and professional tools. Before we get started, may I know your name? So let's say here I'm going to provide the name as Smart User. As soon as I have sent my name here, I got a reply again with my name which I have sent. Nice to meet you, Smart User. How can I assist you today? Please choose an option below. So let's say I'm going to select Browse Products. As I selected this button, great, what category are you interested in? So here I'm going to select, let's say, paint and accessories. As I have provided that what I want, here it is providing me the list of paint and accessories. When I'm going to click on place order, it is providing me the link from where I can place my order. If I want to go back to menu, here it is again providing me the list. So I'm going to select check offers this time. And here you can see that it is providing me the details of the offers which they are having. Okay, so in this way the flow is actually going to work. You can see that flow is absolutely fine. It is running fine and the bot is also responding automatically. So the flow is created. You can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your hardware store. You do not require any coding and programming skills to create this chatbot. Just follow the steps as I've shown you. With the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create it very easily. So I hope this video is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. So go and try it now for free today.